Hello everyone, my name is Mishti. My SAP ID is 5900118838 and I'm currently pursuing BBA from UPES Dehradun. Today I'm here to talk about my journey to the Time and Priority Management Bootcamp, which was part of our Semester 2 curriculum. The bootcamp was conducted by Miss Himanshi ma'am, who guided us through various effective techniques for time management and efficient and effective priority setting. Here are the few things I learned about in my bootcamp. First, the time management matrix. The time management matrix helped me understand the difference between urgent and not urgent tasks. Making to-do list became so easy after learning this technique. Second is Pareto's principle or the 80-20 rule. It helped me to understand that 80% of our results come from the 20% of the efforts we put in. Number third, setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, attainable, measurable, relevant and time-bound goals. We also discussed some roadblocks to productivity in the bootcamp, like the fear of failure, the fear of success, procrastination and what not. We were also introduced with different techniques to overcome procrastination, like the 2-minute rule. कोई भी टास्क अगर 2 मिनट से कम में हो जाता है तो आप उसे इमीडिएटली कर दो, वरना यू विल प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. सेकेंड रूल वॉज द 5-minute रूल. अगर आप किसी भी टास्क पे 5 मिनट्स तक काम करते हो तो आप फ्लो में आ जाते हो, उसके बाद इट इज़ लेस लाइकली कि आप रुकोगे. So just start for 5 minutes and then you can go with the flow. Next, 3-2-1 method to start immediately. The next technique is eat the frog method. कि जो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट टास्क है उसे आप सबसे पहले कर लो, तो फिर बाकी के जो इजियर टास्क है उन्हें आप बाद में कर सकते हो. तो आपको एक सेंस ऑफ अकम्पलिशमेंट फील होगा कि हाँ, सबसे हार्ड टास्क मैंने कर लिया. एंड वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट टेक्निक वॉज टू एड रिवॉर्ड्स बिटवीन योर टास्क. कि अगर आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो और उसको अगर जल्दी ख़त्म करना है तो आप उसके बाद एक रिवॉर्ड सेट कर सकते हो, तो उस रिवॉर्ड के लिए आप जल्दी जल्दी काम करोगे और आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कम करोगे. फाइनली आफ्टर ऑल दिस वी वर असाइंड अ टास्क टू अप्लाई दिस लर्निंग इन रियल लाइफ. फर्स्टली अ विजन बोर्ड. एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द असाइनमेंट वी वर असाइंड टू मेक अ विजन बोर्ड एंड दिस वॉज माई विजन बोर्ड. This vision board contains 3 of my main goals. First, growing on my social media. Second, excelling in my studies. And third, focusing on my diet and health. For my social media growth, I engaged actively with my audience. I created a posting schedule and stayed consistent. Even though it was just editing 1 reel per day or shooting some clips for my next YouTube video, I stayed consistent. Even though it was just by taking small little steps. As you can see in my habit tracker, how consistent I was. Even though it was just editing and posting and scheduling, but I was consistent. For my studying goals, I stayed consistent in that as well. I created timetables, I prioritized my subjects and avoided last minute rushes. I studied at various spots like in my mess, campus library and many other cafes to avoid burnout and stay motivated through my journey. For my diet and health, I started eating fruits. Even though it was just 1 fruit a day, but I incorporated it in my diet. I started my healthy habits like drinking water, teas and limiting coffee. I also incorporated physical activity into my routine. I started small by walking 6 to 7k steps a day or doing a 15-minute YouTube workout. These small steps, when practiced daily, led to big achievements that I am very proud of. To be honest, I never thought I will be this consistent or disciplined. But after starting my 30 days journey, I was very impressed by myself. But of course, the journey wasn't so smooth. I faced several challenges like procrastination. The big word procrastination. Yes, we all go through that. There were also sudden events that disrupted my routine, like sleeping late or waking up late it disturbed my whole routine. Through this assignment, I became more consistent and disciplined. I was able to focus better on my goals. Would really like to thank Himanshi ma'am for giving us this wonderful opportunity to discover our hidden potential and showcasing our talents. Thank you so much everyone for watching.